Hey everybody, Steven here from Rough Stuff, and today we're going to be talking about our 30-inch front brake line kit. This kit right here would be commonly used for installing a disc brake kit up front on an axle. So say you're doing a solid axle swap and you're down to the finishing touches and you didn't think about brake lines. As long as you have a GM caliper, it takes the 10mm banjo bolts, you could be ready to go in no time. Now the main benefits to this 30-inch brake hose would be the fact that it is DOT approved and many others on the market are not DOT rated, meaning it's not okay to be on the street with these. Rest assured with this hose here, it would be 100% DOT street legal. For mounting the brake hose, it's going to come with this little mounting bracket right here. This is the R2028, and it would go right through here to this little hex spot on the brake line, and you would put the spring-loaded clip through there and press it together. And that would hold it to your mounting location, whether it be the axle or the frame. And the kit will also come with 2 banjo bolts that are 10 mil and 4 copper washers to properly mount this to the caliper. And the nice thing about this hose kit here is it can be added on with any of our current brake kits if you need to have a excessively long one for the rear application. Maybe you have a lot of suspension travel, things of that sort. This would work great, but it is primarily used for a front application.
Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you liked what you saw and you want to see more, please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification icon, like the video, and leave us a comment down below and we'll get back to you. If you want to see more awesome Rough Stuff videos, check these ones out.